Focus on my mind, taking my time. I'm a new woman. Hello everyone, this is Teya Magar. I'm a dancer and actor, and today I'm here with Yosauba to share everything you've been curious about. How do you pronounce your full name and what does it mean? So my full name goes Teria Fauja Magar. First, Teria ko matlab ma bhanna chahanchu. Originally it was Teri Yangre according to my grandfather, but because it didn't sound well, he made it Teria, which means Agyakari, obedient, which I believe I am. And Fauja is normally चाहिँ Teria Magar मात्र भन्नुभएको हुन्छ मलाई बुलाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ, but my full name is Teria Fauja Magar, and Fauja is my family name. So everybody who is Fauja is one of my relative. So yeah, Teria Fauja Magar. What inspired you to pursue dance as a career at such a young age? So I believe that dancing is something that I've always been doing since like एकदमै young देखि, and I don't even remember कहिलेदेखि मैले गर्न start गरेँ भनेर. So it was always with me, for which I'm grateful, and I think भगवानलाई म thank you भन्न चाहन्छु for that. And later on DID Little Master मैले चाहिँ एकदमै follow गर्थेँ. So I think it was something that drove me more towards dancing because it was very interesting to watch the show. What's the best part of being as a Teria Magar? I think for me, the best part of being a Teria Magar is that I have the best parents in the world. And it's because of them I am here today and I am Teria Magar. And honestly, it's the best part of being Teria Magar. Next, how did winning one of the top 2 dance reality shows impact your career? This can go long, but I'll make it short. DID Little Master have had a lot of एकदमै ठुलो impact in my life. Both Chalat Diklaja somewhat opened a lot of doors, new opportunities. अनि मलाई possibilities पनि देखायो कि that day, yeah, you can do this as well भनेर. अनि people recognized me, कति धेरै मैले माया पाएँ, support पाएँ, and it is like मेरो beyond my imagination त्यो कुराहरू. So I think एकदमै धेरै ठुलो impact थियो. After DID नै मलाई हुन्छ नि एउटा जस्तो feel भयो कि म कहीँ छु या फिर केही गर्दैछु जस्तो लाइक हुन्छ नि सुतेपछि कसरी मान्छे बिउसिन्छ नि, they realize that oh I'm here भनेर. So it was like that. This is interesting. If you were a superhero, what would your superpower be? I would like to say 2 things. One is one superpower that I would like to have is to fly. Ma udna chahanchu if I were a superhero. And second thing is I wish I had that power where I can heal people's inner world, or not heal exactly, but help them heal their inner world. Do you feel like you have an Indian accent when speaking Nepali? Yes, which I always try not to have that accent when I speak. तर मैले अघि यो सभा भन्दा पनि त्यही accent आइरहेको थियो. So, but yeah, I do have that accent. What song best represents your life right now? One song, not life, but if I have to describe myself or how I feel at the moment in life, there's one song by Lisa. Focus on my mind, taking my time. I'm a new woman. How do you balance work and travel between Nepal and India? To be honest, when it comes a question like this, हुन्छ नि balance work and travel, मलाई अलिकति heavy लाग्छ त्यो भन्नको लागि, because हुन त अब नेपालमा म जहिले पनि आउँछु त्यतिखेर I feel a little bit overwhelmed because म एकदमै कम समयको लागि आउँछु अनि कम समयको लागि आउँदा धेरै कामहरू हुन्छ अनि त्यो म्यानेज गर्दाखेरि अलिकति ओभरवेल्मिङ फिल त हुन्छ बट आई थिङ्क अलिकति टाइम दिएपछि इट गोज स्मुथली अनि इट्स अ पार्ट अफ लाइफ यु हेभ टु डु यु क्यान डु वाट यु क्यान डु सो या दिस इज इट त्यस्तो धेरै हार्ड एन्ड फास्ट रुल्स चाहिँ छैन How did you land the role of Kiran in Campus Beats? This is interesting किनकि झलक दिखलाजामा म जब पार्टिसिपेन्ट एज अ पार्टिसिपेन्ट थिएँ त्यहाँ चाहिँ क्याम्पस बिट्सको क्रिएटिभ डिरेक्टर पनि हुनुहुन्थ्यो सो सी saw me there for the first time अनि मलाई चाहिँ अहिले उहाँले भन्नुहुन्छ कि her name is Palki so she told me that she wanted to work with me हुन्छ नि अलिकति दिमागमा थियो भनेर उहाँले चाहिँ लाइक सी रेकग्नाइज मी देयर अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ आई थिङ्क क्याम्पस बिट्सको जब अडिसनहरू चलिरहेको थियो उहाँको थ्रु नै आई गट अ कल फर द अडिसन सो क्याम्पस बिट्सको अडिसनको लागि चाहिँ मैले 2 years कन्टिन्युसली भनौँ कि अब लाइक 2 वर्षदेखिको दिस वाज अ जर्नी फर क्याम्पस बिट्स सो या आई गेभ अडिसन अनि 2-3 चोटि मैले अडिसन दिएँ होला क्याम्पस बिट्सको लागि एन्ड आई डिन्ट इभन नो कि किरणको लागि मैले रोल दिँदैछु भनेर अडिसन दिँदैछु भनेर बिकज आफ्टर आई गट द पार्ट आई गट टु नो द्याट आई वाज प्लेइङ द क्यारेक्टर अफ किरण सो इट वाज इन्ट्रेस्टिङ अनि एकदमै सरप्राइजिङ अनि एकदमै ह्याप्पी नर्भस एभ्रिथिङ एट द सेम टाइम Do you have any pre-performance rituals or habits while performing on stage? I do have. First, I always remember God. I thank God. First, thank God for everything. And then sabai bhaganलाई म याद गर्छु like every time. I think this goes for like every artist. भगवानलाई याद गरिन्छ हामी स्टेजमा जानुभन्दा पहिला and I shake my hands, legs. कति सरी भन्दाखेरि 15 काउन्ट्स यो चाहिँ मैले डिआइडी होइन सरी झलक दिखलाजा गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ मेरो सर हुनुहुन्थ्यो मेन्टर हि टट मी दिस किनकि त्यो सेक गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ यु फिल अ लिटल लेस एन्सियस अनि त्यही भएर चाहिँ त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ आई इन्स्टल द्याट ह्याबिट अफ शेकिङ ह्यान्ड्स बिफोर पर्फर्मिङ अन स्टेज अनि गडलाई याद गर्ने इफ यु कुड कोलाबोरेट विथ एनी डान्सर or artist worldwide who would it be and why? Choose two, yeah. So dancing ma because I've trained myself in wacking 2 years summer. There's one artist called Sarah. I love her because she is like a knife cake me sharp so ani usko flexibility dekhi everything I like it so much Sarah so I would love to learn from her अनि आई थिङ्क एकदमै फ्रुटफुल हुन्छ होला मेरो लागि उहाँसँग कोलाबोरेट गर्न पाएँ भने इन लाइफ एन्ड सेकेन्ड इज आई रियली लाइक लिसा आई डोन्ट नो वाइ बट मतलब इट्स नट जस्ट अबाउट हर सिङ्गिङ or dancing but the way she carry herself her personality overall I really admire her so I would like to हुन्छ नि by God त्यस्तो मौका पाए चाहिँ want to collaborate with her. How have your grandparents influenced your journey and life? So I am very 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 much close to my grandparents. मेरो बाबामा भन्छु म चाहिँ उहाँहरूलाई सानोदेखि नै म एकदमै धेरै क्लोज छु र मलाई यति धेरै माया गर्नुहुन्छ मेरो बाबा आमाले कि म लाइक आई गेट इमोसनल whenever I talk about them. अनि मेरो बाबाले त अब सानैदेखि मलाई मेरो डान्स क्लासदेखि लिएर या फिर कोही पनि स्टेज सोज हुन्छ उहाँले नै मलाई बाइकमा बसालेर लिएर जानुहुन्थ्यो सो देयर लभ फर मी इज लाइक इज समथिङ द्याट गिभ्स मी मोर स्ट्रेन्थ इज वाट आई फिल अनि त्यो चाहिँ मैले रियलाइज गरेँ विथ ग्रोइङ अप हुन्छ नि अझै ठुलो हुँदै जाँदाखेरि मैले अझै धेरै त्यो चिजलाई रियलाइज गरेँ सो एकदमै धेरै इन्फ्लुएन्स अफ आई लभ यु बाबा आमा इफ यु वाचिङ I'm sure they're watching. What's the one thing people don't know about you beyond dance? I think you might धेरै मेन्सन गरेको छैन in front of the camera. हुन त मैले गाइराखेको त हेर्नुहुन्छ सबैले तर I also happen to write but not too much so please don't expect a lot from me. I'm just a beginner but I do write हुन्छ नि कहिले कसो त्यो माहौल मिल्यो भने चाहिँ आई डु राइट I do try to write and मैले एउटा चाहिँ सङ रेकर्ड पनि गरिसकेको छु त्यो सङ अनि आफैले लेखेको तर कम्पोज चाहिँ मनोज दाइले गर्नुभएको थियो रिलिज चाहिँ गरेको छैन बट होपफुली आई विल रिलिज इट सुन सो आई थिङ्क द्याट पिपल डोन्ट नो होपफुली आई विल रिलिज द्याट छिटै What advice would you give to young dancers or anyone chasing their dreams? So, by advice, it will also for me as well. I'm talking for myself as well. Advice भन्दा पनि अब life is a journey होइन अब त्यो त जबसम्म मान्छेले एक्सपिरियन्स गर्दैन तबसम्म आफूलाई थाहा नै हुँदैन you'll figure it out anyway. But one foremost thing that I want to say is always wake up with the mindset that you are the best and you are here to do something. So always have a positive mindset and do not ever talk less or ill about yourself. That's something I want to say. And to myself as well. अरू त सबै भइहाल्छ life it's a journey. You'll figure out things on your own. Just have that positive mindset. What's keeping you busy right now? Any exciting projects? Right now, I'm busy with Yosauba. But yeah, I think coming up projects say Campus Beats season 5 is releasing soon. So I'm also excited for that. त्यसैको प्रमोसनको लागि चाहिँ म अलिकति बिजी हुन्छु and in Nepal also I might do some projects related to you'll get to know. So yeah, that's it. Or to say, yeah, I think I'm done. Thank you for hanging out with me and Yosoba. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to Yosoba for more exclusive content like this. And I think this is it. Bye, Soba. Thank you for hanging out with me and Yosoba. Don't forget to follow. Follow now. So follow. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, share, comment, anything.